Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Dalal Street Indies extend losses for fourth day. Next, summer rush, consumer cost production in top gear. Next, government urges SVB hit cost to bank locally. Next, WPI touches 25-month low of 3.85% in Feb. Next, time to pause rate hikes, SBI research. Next, meet cabinet ministers amid parliament impasse. Next, Pakistan, Myanmar deepen defense ties over JF-17 aircraft maintenance. Next, grandmother's wisdom helped Bakshi turn ICICI Bank's fortune. Next, first semiconductor fab unit to be declared in a few weeks. Vaishnav. Next, Meta to cut 10,000 jobs, eliminate 5,000 more vacant positions. Next, ATC eyes stake sale in India of cities with consumer financials. Next, new security rules for handset in works. Next, brands ride on Oscar winner Triple R. Then I comes to page number 2 in pure politics section under that PM meets SR ministers amid parallel impasse. Next, Punjab government to send action taken report to center. Next, Shinde faction defense ex-GUV Koshiari in Shiv Sena case. Next, UP's Ramayan path order on Ram Novi kicks up row. Next, US says Reaper drone crashes into Black Sea after Russia intercept. Next, Parel disrupted again has BJP opposition continue protest. Next, Birla's appeal for decorum in House yields no result. Next, RS sets aside differences for a while to hail Oscar wins back to Shapat afterwards. Next, Vibrant Village program to cover 662 LAC villages. Government informs Parel. Next, Congress MP files notice for breach of privilege against leader of Rajya Sabha Goyal. Next, government has multi-layered strategy in keeping RG remarks on center stage. Next, attack based on lies, says Pitroda. Then I comes to page number 3 in pure politics section of that Pakistan team sent to Myanmar to repair combat aircraft. Next, protest in Pakistan cities has Imran faces arrest. On page number 5 in pure politics section that after Congress, NCB backs Maharashtra government employees strike for old pension. Next, RSS support centers stand on same-sex marriage. Next, NIA files first charge sheet in PFI case. Next, global experts call on EMs to rethink long-term financing. Next, steel cause may retain pricing power has import competition receipts. Next, news broadcaster boycott e-auction by DD Free Disc. Then I comes to page number 6 in brand section that Reliance Retail other top brands I value space after Zudio's success. Next, MCD Northeast and operator looks to invest rupees 6 to 400 crore. Next, AWS India to contest tax demand on cloud income. Next, first chip fab unit to be declared soon. Vaishnav. Then I comes to page number 7 in economy section that fab wholesale inflation drops below 4% lowest in over 2 years. Next, RBI should pause rate hikes SBI research. Next, construction faster than last year. Next, no provision for NPS corpus refund center. Next, CAG backs G20 collaboration on audit framework for AI. Then I comes to page number 8 in brand and companies section that Reliance acquisition of Metro Biz gets CCI nude. Next, Toys R US shut store within 24 hours of opening. Next, HPCL Inc. Steel to make children lubricants here. Next, Chaped opens facility in Bangalore to make TB gear. Next, ATC plans stake sale in India of series weak consumer financials. Next, Neeraj, Neeraj Bajaj buys Mumbai's apartment for record rupees 252 crore. Next, India's digital infra model to work well for South Africa. Mittal. Next, ASCI updates rules for Baden Portial of students in ads. Next, HDFC Capital invest rupees 1,450 crore to develop Kalpatru projects. Next, most vulnerable people must take seasonal flu shots. Next, Western other electronic cars get rupees 765 crore under PLI. Next, Puma outsales reveals to log 46% rise in revenue. Next, Jio unveils two new postpaid plans to push up ARPU. Next, ASCI updates rules for better portrayal of students in ads. Next, Puma outsales reveals to log 46% rise in revenue. Then I comes to page number 9 in economy section of that making a meticulous move. Next, for seamless services. Then I comes to page number 10 in that disruption section. Justice Department SEC probing collapse of SVB. Next, 6 US banks on downgrade watch Moody's. Next, Meta plans 10,000 jobs cut in new layoffs. Next, PIB said to be get powers to flag fake news about government bodies. Next, late stage cause conserve cash to add runway. Next, rules may mandate OS update screening to stop Snoopware. Next, HealthPlix rises $22 million in Series C funding rising. Next, Rockstood opens rupees 300 crore fund for early stage deal. Next, Ayurveda Co. Gyanoveda gets $10 billion. Next, million. Next, AI Co. Uh, Anthropic What's Anthropic OpenAI reveal Cludy is out. Next, WhatsApp rolling out voice status updates on iOS. Next, Google's generative AI application builder to put AI in everything. Next, Ola Electric offers to replace faulty e-scooter part for free. Then I comes to page number 11 in economic time market section that mutual fund use dips to accumulate. Next, target maturity funds. Next, NCLT OK's Gale's plan for JBF Petro. Next, stocks leap higher on Wall Street lead by beaten down banks. Next, local mutual fund inflows help Dalal Street counter global volatility. On page number 12 in smart investing sector and under that stocks that hold promise of big gains. Next, mutual fund use dip to buy into Atto hotel and entertainment and cement top pick 2. Next, Divji torque transfer list at 5.1% premium. Next, JAL files plea against NCLT order in JP Infratech case. Next, sharp rise in MCLR to intensify policy transmission next fiscal. Next, Union Bank fails to get bidders for its bad loan. Next, transfer to IFC Indian Bank. Next, bell curve scrapped. Next, building inventory. Next, boosting consumer engagement. Next, US Europe market rebound. On page number 13 in brand equity section under that, bought into the idea, not sold on it. Next, the great broadcasting market correction. Then I comes to page number 14, the added page section under that, a bid to weaponize indigenation. Next, let the institution of marriage thrive. Next, smell this column and remember well. Next, for a few dollars less. Next, Oscar for all marketing boxes ticked. Next, ONGC needs to snap out of it. Next, levels of love. Next, banks not falling into a valley. Next, king of fruits for mango people. Next, cross sword with the west. Then I comes to page number 15 in economic time Pinache section under that. This REIT is taking sustainability to newer heights. Next, Indians outplay giants. Next, miracle seeker. Next, Pranav Sen make winning starts. Next, Smith to lead Warner returns. Next, mm, the fight over Elvis Estate. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.